Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base, and I'm here to give you the knowledge that you've been seeking all the time. And in this case, we're looking at really you comedians, okay, stand-up comedians. You've been trying to be a comedian, you're trying to create content every day. Sometimes you become bored, sometimes it becomes tough. Even sometimes the demand in society is too much. But in this case, you're looking at really how to master your game right. And in this case, we're using Chatgpt. You can go to your browser and put in www.chatgpt.com and you land on this platform, on this dashboard. And we need to see how best as stand-up comedians, how do you use Chatgpt to create value or to become more creative each and every day. And did you know that ChatGPT is the best AI tool? And guess what? It is free. You can always have the paid version. When you come here, you can always upgrade and then see how much you can pay to get more tools in everything that you do. So in this case, we're looking at here and how best we can use. I'm going to give a command, okay? This is a command that I'm going to give to ChatGPT, and look at this command, guys, and learn through the process. Meanwhile, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget, sometimes you get information from my channel and you forget to subscribe or even share this information to your colleagues, your friends who would want to make it better in life. My command is, I want you to act as a stand-up comedian. I will provide you with some topics related to current events, and I will use your wit, creativity, and observational skills to create a routine based on those topics. You should also be sure to incorporate personal and anecdotes or experience into the routine in order to make it more relatable and engaging for the audience. My first question is, I want an humorous take on politics, guys. You see, this is the real guidance. This is the real command. Just guys, master it. Always go back to my videos and get this. So I want you to always use this language. I am giving you the proper language. And then when we get here, my first request is I want an humorous take on politics. You can also copy this so that you don't forget. You can always copy it and have it, and as we're going to use it in our next command as well. So let's get running and let's see how ChatGPT developed this within a shortest period of time. So guys, to get you, I just want you to see that within less than 10 seconds, we are ready to have our skit, okay? Let's go through it, guys. Guys, be patient. Some of you, you do not be patient and you just run off the video. But the more you keep on, the more you really understand the process and some of the information I reveal it at the end. Reason being that you need to be patient to learn through this, and once you learn it, you're gonna be the master of everything. So let's go through our creation here. Ladies and gentlemen, politics, it's like a game show where the prizes are power and the contestants are trying to convince us they know how to spend our money better than we do. It's the only place where you can get tired for lying but somehow still keep your job. I tried to understand politics once. I really did. I sat down to watch a political debate, and after 5 minutes, I felt like I needed a decoder ring and a PhD in double speak. It's like they have a secret language. They say one thing, but you know they mean something else. It's like trying to decode the Da Vinci Code, but with more spin. And have you noticed how politicians shake hands? It's like a choreographed dance move. They approach each other, smile, shake hands, and then pivot away like they are auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. Political edition. I always wonder if they are secretly scoring each other on their handshakes. You know, I have often thought about running for an office myself. I figure I have got as much experience as some of these folks. I mean, I have successfully navigated the trenchless waters of a family dinner with my laws. That's practically a masterclass in diplomacy right there. But the best part about politics has to be the campaign promises. It's like a wish list for grown-ups. They promise to fix everything, lower taxes, raise the wages, and bring world peace. I am just waiting for a candidate to promise to solve the mystery of missing socks in the laundry. Now, that's a platform I can get behind. And let's talk about political scandals. They are like soap operas for people who think C-SPAN is too riveting. It's always some scandal involving secret meetings, hush money, and a trail of breadcrumbs that leads straight to a 24-hour buffet. You never see a scandal involving a salad bar. But you know what they say, politics makes strange bedfellows. And that's true. I am pretty sure my pedo has a better chance of getting elected than some of the folks I have seen on the campaigning trail. In conclusion, politics is a lot like a comedy show. You laugh, you cry, you wonder why you paid to be there in the first place. But hey, at least we get to vote for the punchline every few years. So guys, this is our creation, okay? And remember, it came from I want to have a humorous take on politics. So you can see if you like the comedy, you can twist it, you can change it, you can edit it, you can put it in your own language. Guys, let's continue and create something else. I want a humorous take on politics, but this time let me put on laugh. Let's look at laugh. So you can use the same language as I've given it to you. Please, guys, just get my words clear and then keep creating your skits. And people will wonder where you get your humor. Okay? So this is about love. Okay? Love. The most confusing four-letter word in the dictionary. It's like trying to solve a Rubik Cube blindfolded. You think you have got it all figured out, and then suddenly you are a mess and somehow is crying. You know you are in love when you start doing weird things. Suddenly your vocabulary is reduced to ow and ah, and you find yourself humming love songs if you are not sure you know all the lyrics. It's like a musical and you are the star of your own romantic comedy, except it's more like a rom-com with a blooper reel. And let's talk about dating. It's a bit like job hunting, isn't it? You put your best outfit, rehearse your lines in front of the mirror, and they don't check your references. I mean, if dating had a resume, mine would probably have a section called skills, can make a mean grilled cheese and tell mildly amusing jokes. The whole concept of love at first sight is fascinating, isn't it? I am more of a love at first sight love at first Wi-Fi connection kind of person. You can tell a lot about somebody by their choice of memes. But once you're in a relationship, it's all about compromise. Like when you decide what movie to watch together, it's not about what you want, it's about what you can both tolerate. How about a romantic comedy? No to cheesy action. Too much violence, documentary. Too real. So you settle for a nature of documentary about penguins. Penguins are unsung heroes of relationship compromise. And then there is the whole idea of finding your soulmate. I am starting to think my soulmate is hiding in the laundry room because I never seem to find a matching pair of socks. Maybe they are sock napped. But in all seriousness, love is a beautiful thing. It's like a rosa. Sometimes you have to scream, you are screaming, sometimes you're laughing, and sometimes you're just trying not to throw up. But at the end of the day, it's the journey that counts, and that journey involves someone who can tolerate your bad puns and questionable dance moves well. Then you have hit the jackpot. So here is to love. The only thing that makes you simultaneously feel like you're on cloud nine and in the seventh cycle of hell. Cheers. So thank you guys. See how we've created this within a shortest period of time and see how the power of ChatGPT can make you a great stand-up comedian without running out of ideas. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that we get to understand how best to become great stand-up comedians. Thank you and all the best. See you in my next video.